Today we are going to conduct the experiment on flash and fire point using the Penske apparatus. So this is your Penske-Martin apparatus, and this particular apparatus is little bit different from your Cleveland apparatus. So both the apparatus are used for carrying out the experiment on flash point and the fire point, but in the case of the Penske apparatus, it is a closed cup process. So what is the closed cup process is, the vapors will be formed inside the cup when it is in the closed condition, and at that particular point we are going to check the fire and the flash point. Now what is fire point basically and what is flash point? The flash point of the given oil is the lowest temperature at which the oil gives the sufficient amount of vapors resulting in flash when the flame is brought near it. And what is fire point? So fire point of the given oil is the lowest temperature at which the oil gives sufficient amount of vapors resulting in continuous burning of oil at least 5 seconds when the flame is brought near to it. Now what is the apparatus is having? So apparatus is having a hemispherical shape, and here is the heater that you can see where you heat the given surface. And we are going to close this hemisphere or hemicercular shape, and we are going to have this cup, and you can observe this cup. We are having a marking here. Till this stage you are supposed to carry out the experiment by pouring the diesel into it. So this cup is being fixed here in this particular apparatus like this, and we are going to pour the diesel into the cup, okay, to the required level that is being indicated. So right now we need to clean the given surface of the cup. Okay, we need to clean the given surface of the cup, and then we are going to pour the diesel into it. We are going to pour the diesel to the mark which is indicated. So here we have poured the diesel to the mark indicated. Now we are going to switch on the apparatus, okay, and before switching on the apparatus we are going to close it. Okay, we are going to close this, and here you can see, here you can see the fixing is done. Here there are 3 slots which is being provided. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 slots which is being provided, where we are going to flame the given oil when it is in the heating condition. So before we go for that, we are supposed to insert the thermometer into the oil, and we are going to take down the reading. Okay, the initial reading is approximately 24.7 degrees Celsius. So before we take up the experiment, we are supposed to check the temperature of the given oil. So as you see, it is around 24.6 degree Celsius. So before we switch on the apparatus, we are supposed to take down the reading as the 24.6 degree Celsius. So here we are going to take down the reading. The first is 24.6 degrees Celsius, and write no flash, and we are going to write no flash in the given tabular column. So we are going to switch on the apparatus, okay, and this is your hemicercle coil which is being there. So we have switched on the apparatus now, okay. We will be right now carrying out the experiment, and we need to switch on the thermometer at the same time, okay. You can see the temperature will be raised little bit slowly, around 5 to 10 minutes down the line, and we are going to get the reading in another 2 minutes. We are going to take down this, and every interval of 5 degrees Celsius we are supposed to take down the values every 5 degrees. Okay, now the 24.6 was the given temperature at which we are noted down. Okay, next will be second reading will be around 29.6 or 30 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature will be going on increasing 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we are going to take down the reading now as 30 degrees Celsius. We will check whether flash is there or not. 35 degrees Celsius, we are going to check flash is there or not. 40 degrees Celsius, we will check whether flash is there or not. 45 degrees Celsius, we are going to check flash is there or not. 50 degrees Celsius, we are going to check flash is there or not. And 55 degrees Celsius, we will check whether fire point is happening or not. So the first and the foremost thing is you can see slowly the temperature is being rising. Around 24.6 was the temperature earlier, now it is 24.8 degrees Celsius. So we'll wait, and by the meantime we are supposed to switch on the candle so that for the continuous monitoring of flash and the fire point. Here we are supposed to close this groove. The groove should be closed here because otherwise the vapors will be escaped. So that is the point which we are supposed to note before we start the experiment. The groove should be closed until the heating takes place. The groove should be closed. Then later on, when we need to check, open the slots, then use the just for demonstration I'll be showing now. Okay. For the demonstration I'll be showing it now. Okay, you can see this slots will be opened. You can see the slots will be opened. Opening and closing will be happening. This is what is opening. Now we'll close it. Okay, we close it and we'll again check the thermometer. So you can see the temperature has gone up to 25 degrees Celsius now. So it's slowly increasing with the temperature. So we'll wait for 4 to 5 minutes until it reaches the 30 degrees Celsius, and later on we will proceed the experiment. Now we can see the temperature has come to around 29.4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so exactly at 30 degrees Celsius we are going to check whether the flash has come or not. The 30 degrees Celsius there is no flash which is coming. So there is no flash which is coming. So you are supposed to see carefully. Okay, now 30 degrees Celsius at around, see, we are aware with the Cleveland apparatus that till 42 degrees Celsius we are not going to get any kind of the flash or the fire. So we will just write till the stage of your 40 degrees Celsius. We are going to write for every 5 degrees interval as no flash. Okay, so here at 35 degrees Celsius also we have written no flash. You can see the temperature is around 34.2, so around 35 degrees Celsius we will write no flash. The next 5 degree intervals also we are going to write no flash. Then later on we are going to write it as your flash will occur or not. So we will just wait for another 1 minute where your temperature reaches up to 40 degrees Celsius. So now we can see around 40 degrees Celsius we have got. So we are going to write no flash here also. Now at this particular temperature of around 40, we are going to see whether you have got we are going to open the slots here and we are going to check whether you have got flash or not. You can see here there is a little bit of flash which is supposed to come. Thermometer ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿ. So we are going to check now see here you can see the thermometer, the flash, you can see that there is a small variation, that is your flash point, and further heating will actually increase the temperature. Now we can see the temperature goes up to, you can see now the temperature is approximately so 45 degrees Celsius. You have got the flash, and now we are going to check for the fire. So you can see the fire has occurred. Now the vapors are gone, that is the reason. So we will close it once again and we will conduct the experiment, that is we will check for the fire point once again. We are going to again burn the matchstick and see the temperature now. We are going to see the temperature now, which is, we can just see it is rising. This is the right time to go for the temperature of around 54 degrees Celsius. We are going to open the slot now, and then we have opened the slots and we will see. You can see there is a small little bit of vapor which is being formed. You can see the matchstick has gone. Yes, done. Done. So with this way we are writing out the flash here, and we are going to over the fire at the 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. So we are supposed to switch off the machine, and see this, we are going to take out the diesel from the cup. This is a closer cup, that is why we are going to take out the diesel from the cup, and we are going to end the experiment by pouring the diesel out, cleaning the cup, and then doing the calculation. So what is the flash point that you have got is approximately 45 degrees Celsius, and the fire point is around 53 degrees Celsius which you have got. So around 8 degrees is the difference that you have got between the flash point and the fire point. So with this we have done with the experiment of flash point and the fire point using Penske apparatus. So the aim of the experiment, let me just tell you once again, the aim of the experiment is to determine the flash and the fire point using the Penske apparatus. Thank you everyone for your patience listening.